If you want to find recorder to create voice notes, or if you just want to record something with your Redmi Watch 6, then first of all, we're going to open the apps list. And then over here in the app list, you should be able to find the recorder somewhere at the bottom, for example. In my case, it is over here. Then you should be able to either press this red and white button over here at the bottom of the display, or you can press the crown in order to start recording yourself. Of course, you should be able to just record whatever you want to record, any audio. And once you are done, you can, for example, press the crown again in order to pause it. And in the meantime, you can also use the power button or the side button over here in order to add marks, which can be, of course, done by using this button here as well, or tags. And once you are done, just tap on this check in order to save your recording. And over here, we can also sync a recording to phone in the app. There we go. Here we can play our recording if you want to. You can also record something new if you need to. And in case you want to delete any recording, you can, for example, open it and tap on this trash icon that we have at the bottom, and we can confirm that we want to delete this recording. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.